Namaste. I am Purvi Shah. I have been teaching yoga now since almost 14 years. I have passed my yoga, learnt it from Kevalya Dham. It is in Lonavala, Pune. It was an amazing experience for me going to Kevalya Dham and learning yoga, experiencing it from lots and lots of old great teachers. It was a blessing for me. For me, yoga is something which is not a kind of physical exercise or something I do for weight loss or something I want to practice just because I want to keep myself calm and peaceful. For me, yoga is like a new birth. Like a mother carries the baby in her womb for 9 months and nourishes the baby with lots of blood, lots of her own sanskars, lots of her flesh. The same way yoga is for me. Yoga is like a new birth for me. It has nourished me since so many years with lots of great people, and I am so grateful to yoga for giving me a new birth. In a way, I am a different person now. What I was before when I used to practice yoga and what I am now, it is like I feel I am reborn again after I started practicing yoga. Everything, my sanskars, my nature, my habits, my relationship with my husband, my kids, my parents, my brother, everything has changed immensely after I have started practicing yoga. Yoga has really nourished me with lots and lots of great achievements, financially, physically, mentally, spiritually. What yoga has given me till now, 14 years of my practice, from inside I have this feeling that I want to give it back to the society. I want to give it back to my family, back to the people, back to the females who I see, who I can connect very nicely, and I can feel that I was also at some point like them. But yoga has really changed me so much that I feel I should give this back. Everything that yoga has given me, I want to give it back to the society. Maybe in the form of practice, maybe in the form of my speech, maybe in the form of these are the nice paintings that I am making. This has a message of yoga. This is Patanjali's Yoga Sutra number 2. It says Yogaschitta Vritti Nirodha. That means all the vrittis that our mind has, it runs here and there since the whole 24 hours. Those all the thoughts and the vrittis, you can control it by the practice of yoga. So this is a true message I want to give to the society. Yoga is not that you practice just for weight loss or just you practice for in a form of an exercise. It's a way beyond that. Yoga is something which really comes from your soul, which connects you to your soul, which connects you to your Atma. So all those things that I have experienced since this 14 years, I wish to give it back to the society. To all the people out there in the world, I really wish to give this knowledge to them. I have learned yoga from lots and lots of places like Goa, Mysore I have learned Ashtanga Yoga, Rishikesh I have learned Iyengar Yoga, Osho I have been to. I have been to lots of ashram like Shri Ravi Shankar, Isha Ashram, Om Swami Ashram in Chandigarh. Lots of places I have been to, and I have been going there, practicing, learning from all the teachers, getting blessings from the teachers, coming back here in my city Ahmedabad, and I wish to whatever small amount of knowledge that I can impart to all the students who come to my class. I have also travelled out of India like Bali, Singapore, Kenya, Paris, Austria, Vienna, USA. Lots of places, and I have each and every place I visit, I always go to a yoga center. I always go and visit a yoga studio. I go and practice there for at least 2 or 3 sessions. I go and take there. I spare some time from my schedule and I go and practice yoga with all those teachers outside India. To me, I somehow feel that the essence of yoga, we are losing the essence of yoga, even outside India and even inside, in my country in India. The real meaning of yoga, maybe lots of teachers, maybe they are not practicing, or they don't get the right knowledge, they don't get the good connections. I don't know what is missing, but something is missing where the right knowledge is not being imparted to the students. As a yoga teacher, I don't remember a single day, except for I have my periods or maybe I'm not that well. I don't remember in these 14 years I have skipped my practice. No matter where I am in the world, where I am traveling, what I am doing, how much I am tired, I never miss my practice in the morning. I do my puja, I do my prayers, I do my practice. That is coming from within. It should, as a yoga teacher, it should come from within you. It is not something professional like you go to student's place or maybe the student come to your studio, you teach them and that's it. It is not that small professional relationship that you develop with your teacher. Somehow I feel yoga teachers nowadays, they don't practice. The only thing they are interested is in teaching. So that when as a yoga teacher, when you are not practicing, when you don't feel that peace, happiness and silence, I don't think how can that you can spread that to your students. That is very hard for you to spread the aura, the energy to the other students when you are not having the same aura and the same energy. For me, I feel it's a very small impact maybe I am making on the people around me. But when I teach, I feel like something from inside, it is connecting me with those students. I feel it is the grace of God that connects me with those students, with all the people who are coming to learn yoga from me. It's a message that God wants to give through me. God wants to give it to my students, and that is exactly what I do when students come to me. By grace of God, till now I have done lots of workshops, lots of interviews on TV, on other channels, lots of seminars, lots of talks, just with a small dream that I want to achieve of spreading this light and message of yoga to lots of people all over the world. Recently, in this August 2019, I went to Kailash, I went to Mansarovar, and I got blessings from Shiva and Shakti. I really felt immense energy pulling me towards that Kailash. It was an amazing experience I had, and somehow I truly feel that whatever energies that God has given me, I wish to spread this message of peace, happiness, love, spirituality to lots of people of all age groups all over the world. For that I need your blessings, I need your support, I need you to believe in me, have faith in me, and I'm sure that with the grace of God I'll get that. Yoga is not just a practice for me now, it is the way I eat, I drink, I sleep, I talk, I communicate. Everything that I do in 24/7, it's a part of yoga. Yoga is like my breath. Yoga is something maybe when I'll die, that is the last thing I'll stop my practice when I'll be dying, I'll have death. Otherwise, nothing and no one can separate me from the practice, from the spreading of this light of yoga that I want to do. I really thank you all for watching this. Give me your blessings, give me your support to spread this message all over the world. Thank you so much. Namaste.